Ah, all right. Pink with the Dollar Tree. Yes. Come on and shop with me. Pink with the Dollar Tree. Come and shop with me. What? Pink with the Dollar Tree. Come on and shop with me. Pink with the Dollar Tree. Yes. Come and shop with me. Yes. Yes. Come on. Ah, come on. Yes, Pink with the Dollar Tree. Yes, come on, y'all, and shop with me. Pink with the Dollar Tree. And let's come on and see what you see. Pink. Ah, ah. Pink with the Dollar Tree. Yes, Pink with the Dollar Tree. Come on and shop. So I'm over here in the kitchen stuff, and I don't really see anything new. It's nothing new, guys. Well, I see these. They're real soft. Very, very soft. All right. Those are cute, guys. Those are cute. Okay, let's see what else we can find. This store don't usually have a lot. But I was passing by, so I said, let's stop in here and see if we can find something. You never know. There's that wrinkle away. That's those laundry sheets right there. I have never tried. Have anybody tried those? Let me know if y'all have. Girl, look. Girl. They got the fall dishes out. Shut up. Shut up. And they got all of them. Look, the pumpkins down there. Oh, I'm not ready. I'm not ready. I am not ready. I'm not prepared, guys. What? There's those wipes. They are awesome. I love them. I'm not picking them up. I just picked some up yesterday at another Dollar Tree. I tell you one is some Fabuloso. Did I overlook it? I don't see any. I don't know, guys. Maybe I overlooked it. Maybe they don't have any. All right. Girl, what? All right. I need to get a pan because Krista is coming. So, girl, I don't see that now. Fabuloso. All right, let's get a pan. Well, two, because, girl, one be too thin. I'm gonna put a pan in the basket. Girl, when I tell you they ain't got no Fabuloso, believe you me. Oh, look. Here's some. Well, it is apples and oranges, or whatever that is. I'm gonna go and get her one of those. That's more of that, can y'all see that? That, descaling. I might need to get Crystal one, huh? All right, guys, I can't get it like this. Hold on. Sorry. That's too high up there. I can't get that, guys. All right, so let's move on and see what else they got. I'm supposed to be going to the grocery store, but I passed by this Dollar Tree and I said, up, there's a Dollar Tree. Might as well grab some things in here if I see anything. All right. Let's go down the, let's go this way. So I don't have a lot of time because it looks like it's getting ready to rain. It's a new day. Those are cute. Oh my God. I like that. That's me. I'm always hollering. All right, let's go down the makeup aisle. Did y'all ever get this one that everybody's been looking for? I never got it. That's not it there. Soft floral, that's not it. But I can't never find the one that it's supposed to be. That's what all of those say. That's probably why they still sitting here, huh? I never did get those. Oh, here goes some more over here. Let's see if I can find it. Soft floral, soft floral. Yeah. Yeah, they wouldn't have that many. This was it. I sure want it. That ain't it, guys. Let's see back here. No. Yep. All right, guys, let's move on. They didn't want me to have it, I guess. They said, no, ma'am, you're not getting it. I was getting when it is, and since it's laying here waiting on me to get it, I say, in the basket. Okay, I'm not copying off of Tish, guys. I just thought it was funny at the moment. Y'all, baby, y'all be on it. Y'all be like, This is on my wish list. Shut up. Oh, this is a makeup brush. Shut up. It's an actual brush. How many they got? Get out. Get out. I am so excited I found those, guys. Please don't get them all. And this is the thing to go with it like that to make it like a little set. Shut up. So we're gonna do Crystal, Tanya, and Kimora. What? That is too cute, guys. Oh, Lord. Okay. And then, y'all, they got this. Look, look, look. Look at this. Look, I'm showing y'all, and y'all couldn't see it because I'm over there. But look how cute that is. And I think these go with that. What? Is that a cute little set or what? Shut up. Alright, so here is the makeup. And it is not a lot going on in here. Look at this. This is cute. Oh, wow. Those are nice colors. And they're all the same. Yeah, those are nice colors. Yeah, I bought all this stuff. I went and got my nails done. I was like, just let me go and get them done. Baby, they were so bad that man say, what happened? I told him I just couldn't make it. Couldn't make it. All right, here's some more of the Margaritaville that everybody is wilding out about. And what is that, pina colada? I didn't get the strawberry one yesterday. So I'm gonna grab 3 of those. Y'all, get me at this store. I didn't come in here for this, guys. I did not come in here for this. All right? Girl, what's that? That one is yucky. I don't want to touch that. All of them yucky. So what you do? What is that? Let's see what it says. So what you do to it, You say you freeze it and squeeze it and enjoy. Let's see if I can find some that's not wet. We'll try it. Alright guys, we're down here by the fun stuff now, right? Let's see what they got. They have a lot of little, what you call them things? Puffs that you bathe with. Okay. Let's see what else we can find. I want the, what are those things called, guys? Gummy bears. Remember, they got the gummy bears one. This is the peach, I think. This is the peach. I want the gummy bears. See what's on this side. Baby, I bought a hair clip yesterday from Veritas for $3.99. It was because I needed it, and I was like, I know Dollar Tree gonna have it, but I have never seen one at Dollar Tree. So, all right, let's see what's over here. I wonder if I'm gonna find that. What's that stuff called? It's probably in one of these boxes here, guys. Look at all these boxes. That's where it's at. All right, I'm getting claustrophobic up in this hole. Yeah. All right, let's see what's down here. That twist, that's what I'm looking for, guys. All right. Oh, I didn't go down there. Baby, it done got dark outside, and it's just 2 o'clock. All right, guys. All right, they're getting ready for school, guys. They got all the cute little stuff out. Look at all those little cute little thingies right there. Yeah, they're getting ready. They're getting ready, getting ready, getting ready, ready. The prize party Elmo book, look. That's kind of cute. Oh, child, it's dark, dark. Well, since it's dark, dark, I might as well do what, y'all? Stay in here and shop. No, I got to go to the grocery store. I got to go to Randall's. All right, guys, I want to tell y'all this. I have a big surprise coming up. I have 2 surprises coming up, and I want to tell you guys about it. I cannot wait. Oh, my God. It's a Christmas book. Y'all better stop it. Alright, I'm looking for the little envelopes, but I don't see them. Let's see what's over here. Baby, it's so dark out there. Let's see if y'all can see. Y'all see the windows down there? Let's see if we can make it bigger. Y'all, it is just 2:30 in the evening. I know. And I'm in Dollar Tree. What? These are cute. Shopping list, recipes. I like that. Let me see. Yeah. Oh, that say groceries. I thought I saw. Oh, here it is. Recipes. Yeah. All of them the same on the inside, though. That's nice. Hope. Yes. All right, guys, look at the little fall votive candle holders. They getting ready. Look at that one. They getting ready, guys. Oh yeah. They are getting ready. Look, y'all. This is probably from last year, huh? Probably so. All right. Let's see what's over here so I can get ready to go. Just go down to plus off, and then I'm ready to get up out of here, guys. Okay, I have to keep turning this off, girl, because this is making too much noise. Got some fountains for $5. Those are nice. Look at those diffusers for $5. Cups. Oh, they doing good. They doing good. Look at that. That's nice. I want me one of those under the sink tables or shelves or whatever you call it. I need like that. I don't think Dollar Tree has it though, but that's what I want. Look at this right here. Oh, y'all. Guys, is that it? Let me see. That might work. Under the kitchen cabinet. That might work. $5. Y'all think it'll work under the kitchen cabinet? Tell me what you think. I'm gonna give one. Oh, it ain't number 3. Lord. What should I do? It is right there, guys. Oh. Yeah. I don't have a 3. I'm gonna get one. Y'all just dark outside. I don't have a 3. I'm gonna go ahead and get one and see. And then maybe I'll run across another one. What y'all think? All right, so let me show you. I'm gonna put my little thing back in my purse. Guys, I need to get out of here. Baby, it's about to rain. Cats, dogs, and fish. Oh yeah, baby. All right. So I'm gonna get this. Just yeah. And I'm gonna get these little freeze things for me and Tanya to try. Put in the freezer. I think I want to get this because I got to do a baby basket. I don't know if I'm gonna get that or not. I'm getting this because you can close it. What? I'm getting 4 of these. And 4 of these. And oh, I'm getting Fabuloso. Getting that. And oh, did I show y'all this? We're gonna get this and 2 cans. 2 cans. And that's it, guys. Yeah. That's it. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye.